Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Pay. Kraken Pay offers a seamless way to send and receive digital assets. It supports over 300 different fiat and cryptocurrencies, allowing you to transact globally. Payments are fast, secure, and operate peer-to-peer, removing the need for traditional banks. This service is available in over 160 countries, making it a truly international payment solution for your digital funds. To begin using Kraken Pay, first create your Kraken account and complete the necessary identity verification. This ensures a secure environment for your transactions. Next, fund your account by depositing traditional currency or transferring your existing cryptocurrencies. For added protection, always enable two-factor authentication. Finally, link your preferred bank account or debit card to facilitate smooth deposits and withdrawals, making your experience even more convenient. Sending a payment with Kraken Pay is straightforward. First, select from over 300 available assets you wish to send. Then, input the recipient's unique crack tag or their public wallet address. A fantastic feature is Kraken's ability to automatically convert assets if your recipient prefers a different currency, simplifying cross-currency transactions. Remember, always double-check all payment details, including the amount and recipient, before confirming to ensure accuracy. Kraken Pay offers numerous benefits, including instant and often free payments globally. Security is paramount. Kraken utilizes advanced cold storage and hot wallet solutions to protect your funds. Mandatory two-factor authentication and regular security audits further safeguard your account. The platform is also ISO/IEC 27001 certified, demonstrating its commitment to the highest international security standards. You can transact with confidence, knowing your assets are well protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.